Hey, I'm Lizzy McAvoy. When I'm not writing songs, performing live, or producing in the studio, I'm the girl in the apron. Hey everybody, I'm Lizzy McAvoy and the girl in the apron. Today we are talking all about assembling 3-tiered cakes. I remember the first time I started assembling cakes and I was so nervous that my cake was gonna make some sort of landslide off of the plate. But have no fear, it is so easy and I have a few tricks to share with you so it'll go smoothly your first go or even second. So what do you need? Well, any type of utensil you have in your kitchen, let's say a knife. One of these spatulas, even a butter knife will do to spread out your icing, and make sure that you let your cakes cool completely. Hot cakes mean a hot mess. Trust me on that one. And as always with the girl in the apron, it's quick, it's easy, and here's how you do it. Be sure to find more Girl in the Apron recipes at www.lizzymcavoy.com. And let's get social.